Hello, this is Bryan with Constellation, and today we're going to show you a few tips to help keep your home cool and save energy. We are creating this series of videos to ensure your home stays efficient and safe and all your maintenances are up to date. That being said, please like our page so we can keep helping you with all your home service needs. First, close your drapes and blinds early in the day, before the sun has a chance to warm up your home. This is a simple way to prevent heat from entering your home. Next, be sure to keep bedroom doors open to allow for circulation. Most homes have central return grills located in hallways. Keeping doors open will allow warm air from rooms to be pulled into the returns. Run ceiling fans counterclockwise during the summer months. This forces cool air down so you get a cooling effect. There are many things in your home that create heat, like light bulbs, ovens, and appliances. Use them sparingly during the warmest part of the day. Run your dishwasher overnight, grill outside, and turn off the lights when you leave the room. Finally, remember to replace your air filter every 3 months. This is the simplest way to help save energy and keep your system running efficiently. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or call Constellation directly.